Hi guys, Dave from DaveFinReviews.com, and thanks for joining me on this brief VideoRobot review. In a second I'm going to be taking you through the software so you can have a quick look what you will be getting. This actually goes live on March the 8th. There is a pre-launch from March 3rd to the 7th, so if you want to get on the early bird train, I've left a link below. Click on that link, go sign up, and then as soon as the news and whatever comes through, I will send you that and you'll get early bird access before anyone else. So anyway, before I get into the members area, there's just a few brief things about what you can expect and what this software does. So you're going to be getting 300 plus fully customizable video templates. Also, there's an option to start from scratch using the blank video canvas. There's one-click translation, real-time lip-syncing technology, blah blah blah, logos, intros, outros, text effects, motion animations, blah. All this is fully customizable, as you'll see in a minute. And then these are the text-to-speech, 3D avatars, green screen removal, all that stuff. And there's some of the features there which I've just gone through. The sales page isn't up at the minute, so I can't show you that, but let's just go inside the members area, and this is what you'll be well, you won't be seeing this screen because this will be updated. This is just the beta version. As I said, it goes live on March the 8th. Don't forget to get on that list for that early bird discounts and stuff. And here it tells you what's inside this software, as we've already mentioned, and all this stuff. So let's just go inside. And just to create a video, it takes us 6 steps, and these are your options to get started into your videos. You've got the 3D avatar templates, the Kinetic animation templates, the whiteboard animation, and also the blank canvas if you want to start from the beginning. So I'm just going to run through, just give a quick look at some of these. So there we go. You can just pick whatever niche you're in. Pick one of these. Let's just do oops, beauty salon. We need a female for that one. So let's just pick that. So you just click on that and it highlights it, and then you just go into next step, and then you just pick, I don't know, anybody that you want. And then once you get to this part, you can either use a ready-made voiceover, which will be in there. You can either use that, you could use a text-to-speech, so you could just write your own script, put whatever you want in there, or you can record your own audio, or you can add from media library. If you use text-to-speech, there's ready-made scripts already here. So you just pick one of those, blah blah blah, and then import that. But once you've done that, you can add your logo. So you can upload your logo, obviously, or you can just choose one of these ready-made logos in the media library. And then you can choose your background. You can position that left or right, wherever you want your logo. You put your name in there, whatever company you represent. You click next, and then in this section, this tells you all the elements that you've got in your video, which are all fully customizable, and these are the elements that you can add, change. So if I wanted to add a lower third, I can just pick lower third, click OK, and that would pop up there. So you've got to kind of like mess around and get everything looking how you want. So you can have the contact us, change all this, everything's completely changeable, and then you create movie. Okay, so I'm just going to go back and show you. It'd be quicker doing that way, won't it? No, I don't want to save that. So I'm just going to show you inside this. I don't think it's fully loaded at the minute, but These are the Kinetic ones. If you wanted the Whiteboard, I think there's only a few of these in a minute, but these will be fully loaded up, so you can just pick one of those and then go edit it to your heart's content. So that's pretty much it, guys. Or you can just use a blank canvas and you can pick anything you want and start from the beginning. So that's pretty much it. As I said, this goes live on March the 8th. There is a pre-launch from the 3rd, so don't forget, get on that list, link below this video. There were some bonuses. I'll be putting together a bonus page for this, so if you want to get involved in this from the 3rd, just click the link below in this description, in the description and I'll catch you later, guys. Thanks for joining me on this VideoRobot quick review. Thanks, guys. Bye.